Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Black Book. Now today one of our puzzles have this very interesting question. The question is alpha, beta, gamma all are positive angles. They are greater than 0 and the addition of alpha, beta and gamma is pi by 2. It means all are acute angles. Okay, and they have given that A is equal to tan alpha tan beta plus 7, B is equal to tan beta tan gamma plus 7 and C is equal to tan gamma tan alpha plus 7. Then we have to calculate the maximum value of root A plus root B plus root C. Now this sum is very symmetrical. I like this particular sum. But for the time being, let me say that we see the detailed solution first. Okay, so let us start with the detailed solution. So what do we have? We have alpha plus beta plus gamma equals pi by 2. So we can say alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2 minus gamma. Right, so let us take tan on both sides because there is tan involved in the sum. Tan of alpha plus beta is tan of pi by 2 minus gamma. Okay, so tan of alpha plus beta everyone knows is tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta, and tan of pi by 2 minus gamma is cot gamma. Okay, so we will write down cot gamma as 1 upon tan gamma. So we will just cross multiply. Tan gamma will be multiplied with this numerator and 1 minus tan alpha tan beta will be multiplied with this numerator. Okay, so basically this will be tan alpha tan gamma plus tan beta tan gamma. So let me add a page. Tan alpha tan gamma plus tan beta tan gamma equals, what do we have? So we have, okay, I missed the page. So we have, let me delete this. So we have 1 into 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So it will be 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Okay, so let us break all the tans on one side. So we will have tan alpha tan beta plus tan beta tan gamma plus tan gamma tan alpha equals 1. Okay, but what is the value of tan alpha tan beta? Let us see. Tan alpha tan beta can be written as a minus 7. Tan beta tan gamma can be written as b minus 7. Tan gamma tan alpha can be written as c minus 7. Okay, so what we will write down is this is a minus 7 and tan beta tan gamma is b minus 7 and tan gamma tan alpha is c minus 7, which is equal to 1. So basically we have a plus b plus c minus 21 equal to 1. Therefore a plus b plus c is equal to 22. Right, this is equal to 22. Okay, now moving ahead, we have a plus b plus c equal to 22 and what they are asking us is the maximum value of root a plus root b plus root c. So we need to calculate the maximum value of root a plus root b plus root c. As there are three variables involved, it might be a little difficult for you to understand. I am going to give you a very nice analogy by which you will understand the logic that we are going to use over here. So suppose you have two variables, x plus y is equal to, let us say, 4, and you need to calculate the maximum value of root x plus root y. So how are you going to proceed with this? So let me first make you understand. Suppose you write down y is equal to 4 minus x. So this particular expression is going to become root x plus root of 4 minus x. Now calculating the maximum value of root x plus root of 4 minus x, which is fx equal to root x plus root of 4 minus x, is a very simple task for you. You can do it by various methods. You can apply the graph method. So the graph method, if you want to understand in detail, you should go and check out my play with graphs playlist, the link of which is provided in the description box, or else you can apply the derivative method also. So generally everyone knows the derivative method. That is why I am going to apply over here the derivative method, because everyone will understand this. Now why am I taking the two variable question? Because the same logic can be applied to a three variable system. Okay, so once you do f dash x, it will be 1 by 2 root x, and this will be 1 by 2 root 4 minus x, and the derivative of 4 minus x is minus 1. So basically you have f dash x is equal to 1 by 2 root x minus 1 upon 2 root 4 minus x. So you will equate this particular thing to 0. Okay, so I am telling you the derivative trick because everyone knows this first derivative trick. That is why I am going to apply that. Okay, the graph method also I will explain. I am just cross multiplying over here, so no need to panic and stuff. Okay, so this will be equal to 2 root x and 2 root 4 minus x. Now that we equate to 0, f dash x is equal to 0 for calculating the maximum value. So f dash x is equal to 0. Let me cancel out the 2's, right? So this 2 got cancelled and only 1 2 remained. Okay, so basically the numerator should be 0. Root of 4 minus x minus root of x should be equal to 0. So what do we have? We have root of 4 minus x equal to root x. So 4 minus x is equal to x. So 4 is equal to 2x. Hence x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is possible for this particular thing. Then if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2. So basically at x equal to 2, this particular thing will have the maximum value. Now let me calculate the maximum value and tell you the trick. Root x plus root y. If x is 2, then y has to be 2 because the addition was given 4. So root 2 plus root 2 came out to be 2 root 2. Now you will say, okay, very good. So you are trying to make us understand that if both the values are equal, then we get the maximum value for root x plus root y. Exactly, that is what I mean. Now you will say, sir, how? Make us understand this graphically, because graphically if you try to make it understand, you will be bamboozled. Okay, so we have x plus y equal to 4. Then we need to calculate the maximum value of root x plus root y. So I will say root x plus root of 4 minus x. So when I try to make the graph for such kind of question, what do I do? So I know the domain for this question because 4 minus x cannot be negative. So x can be maximum what? It can be 0 to 4, right? No other value can be put because then it will be negative. Hence 0 to 4. Okay, then at x equal to 0, put the value of x as 0. You will get the answer as 2. Right, put the value of x as 0, root of 0 plus root of 4, which is equal to 2. So for 0 we have 2, and then put the value of x as 4. So it will be root 4 plus root 0, which is equal to 2. So again for 4 equal to 2. It means this particular graph should look something like this, because at start point also it is 2 and at end point also it is 2. It means it is equally distributed. Can you see this? At the midpoint you are getting the maximum value. Okay, I would also like to show you this by the graphical method, because by graphical method you can understand that this is forming some kind of a dome and you get the maximum value when x and y both are equal. Okay, when x and y both are equal. So let me show you this by graphical method, that root x plus root of 4 minus x. So you can see this graph, see this maximum value 2. When x value is 2, y value will also be 2, and you are getting this maximum value which is 2.828. 2.828 by the way is nothing but 2 root 2. So 2 comma 2 root 2, which is what I got by application of derivatives also, which was the my answer, which is 2 root 2. Now you will say, okay, so that same logic can be applied over here. Yes, definitely. A plus b plus c equals 22. So make all of them equal. So a plus a which is equal to 22. So 3a is equal to 22. So a is equal to 22 by 3. So that's it. So maximum value of root a plus root b plus root c will be equal to what? It will be root 22 by 3 plus root 22 by 3 plus root 22 by 3. So basically we have 3 times root 22 by 3. Okay, so can I take that 3 inside? Yes, I can definitely take that 3 inside. So once that 3 goes inside, it becomes 9, and 9 into 22 by 3. So this goes 3 times, and 3 into 22 is root 66. So the maximum value of root a plus root b plus root c is root 66. Okay, let us go check out the options. In the options you can see option C is the correct option. Okay, so basically this question revolves around the trigonometry and the maximum value of root a plus root b plus root c by equitably distributing it. So initially we got tan alpha plus tan alpha tan beta plus tan beta tan gamma plus tan gamma tan alpha to be equal to 1. Then we got a plus b plus c equal to 22, and we needed to calculate the maximum value. What we did is equate it. Okay, and then we got the value of it as root 66. Now the trick solution. Now I will show you the trick solution. Okay, now you will say, okay, this is the trick solution. What is the trick? So the trick is the sum is symmetrical. Okay, so you will say, sir, sum symmetrical means what? I'll show you. A is equal to tan alpha tan beta plus 7. B is equal to tan beta tan gamma plus 7. C is equal to tan gamma tan alpha plus 7. Now wait for a moment, just check out this. Isn't this question very symmetrical? Same value of A, same value of B, same value of C. The pattern is same, and there are 3 values of alpha, beta, gamma. Whenever such kind of questions are asked, I am going to tell you a trick. The trick is make all the values equal. Make all the values equal. So if alpha, beta, gamma all are equal, then you will have 3 alpha as pi by 2, or what you call 90. So alpha will be equal to 30 degree. Alpha will be equal to 30 degree because we have made all the values equal. So alpha, beta, gamma all are 30 degree. So A, B, C all are equal, and that is why we will get the maximum value. So this will be tan 30 into tan 30 plus 7. So that will be 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3 plus 7, which is nothing but 1 by 3 plus 7. Just cross multiply this, you will get 22 by 3. So we got the value of A, B, C, all of them to be 22 by 3. How did we get it? By making all the values of the angles equal. Alpha 30, beta 30, gamma 30. When all the values are equal, generally the dome reaches its maximum value, and which is equal to 22 by 3. And the rest is history, because once we get the value of A as 22 by 3, the rest things were easy. So the trick solution is peculiarly the something which I like for the entrance exams. Okay, there is one more interesting thing about this question. I would like to explain you that one also. See, we got a few things in this question. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is pi by 2. It means the addition of alpha, beta, gamma is 90 degree. So tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma, and tan gamma, tan alpha has to come equal to 1. Okay, so and alpha, beta, gamma, no value can be taken as 0. See, in the question it is given alpha, beta, gamma, no value can be taken as 0. Though our question is solved, I would like to explain you some more details about this question. So I will now likely go to a calculator and put some values of alpha, beta, gamma as you would like. So let me say I put the value of alpha as 83, beta as 4, and gamma as 7. You can put any values. Okay, so let us go to the calci. Now you can see this is our calci. I have put alpha as 83, beta as 4, and gamma I am putting it as 3. So they are adding up to what? 90. So this will be tan of 3, and then where is the bracket? Tan of 83, and we are done. See, you are getting the value as 1. You are getting exactly the value as 1. See this value, you are getting 1. So you can put any values of alpha, beta, gamma as per the question. The question says that alpha, beta, gamma shouldn't be 0 and their addition should be 90. So you are going to get 1. So I have shown you two solutions. One is trigonometric solution, in which we found out the value of A plus B plus C equal to 22. Then in our portion we have double derivative, or the application of derivatives, in which we deal with two variables, and by using that method I have shown you that when x and y are equal, we get the maximum value for root x plus root y. And same thing I have shown you graphically also. When x and y are equal, we are going to get the value, which is exactly in the middle, because this is a linear expression. Okay, and then moving further, I have shown you some very nice trick in which if the sum is symmetrical, you make everything equal. Once you make everything equal, you are going to get the answer, and that is how you are going to get the answer as root 66, which is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you like this solution, and if you like this solution, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Solution to Black Book. This is Amol More saying bye bye to you.